Lima is a city of surprises and also a city that used to have a wall.
The Wall of Lima was built between 1684 and 1687. Its purpose was to protect the wealth of Lima from pirates and privateers. It was almost 12 kilometers long and had 34 bastions, 10 portals, was 4 meters high and 5 meters deep, and surrounded the old city and the Cercado de Indios neighborhood. It was built using mud bricks from smaller huacas or temples located in the district of Barrios Altos and nearby areas. Its old location is where the current avenues Alfonso Ugarte, Paseo Colón, Grau, and the left bank of Rimac River are. The latter was the Tajamar, or cutwater, built by the Franciscans in 1610 to protect them from the river. In 1808, during the construction of the General Cemetery, a sector of the wall was demolished. During the 19th century, the wall served as informal garbage dumps, and the areas outside the wall became shantytowns and dangerous neighborhoods. It was demolished in 1871. The wall never defended the city against any enemy attack, to the point that the historian Raúl Porras Barrenechea mentioned that she died a virgin of gunpowder.
If you want to know more about Lima and its curiosities, don't forget to follow our channel.